So yeah guys, I did actually get some parcels in this last week. These are some parcels for Pearl. So first things first, I'll start off in the bag. I just had to put them in the bag because there was way too many boxes. So as you guys know, the fuel line on Pearl is too short, so I actually ordered a reel of -6 line. So that's that. Just got it in braided black. So yeah, that's that, so I can extend that line. Also got a knock sensor, because as you guys know with K20s they always break, and you try to pull the plug off, it ends up pulling the whole thing off, and this comes away from the actual sensor itself. So yeah, ordered another one, got a fresh knock sensor there. And yeah, last but not least guys, these are the injectors we're going to be running on Pearl. So these are basically the same as ID 1000ccs, but they're just Bosch, which is basically, yeah, it's just the same thing, to be fair. I ran these in EK4, I've run them for years. I've had no problems with them. Got them flow tested once as well. They were all good all across the board. So yeah, comes with a little flow chart, and also comes with some pigtails as well. I had to just pay £20 extra for these, but I will let you guys know I do get discount on these injectors. So let me know, PM me or DM me on Instagram if you want a set of these. 550cc all the way up to 2200s. I do get discount. You can also get the plug and play sets like the pigtails, or you can get these style ones, what I've got. It's like a jumper, or you can get the soldering ones, but I just thought I'd just get the plug and play. It's a lot easier. They're already made for you. So yeah, so I think these are EV6 to EV14. But yeah, that's that. That's the injector side of things. So yeah, also just need to order a Warbro 455 pump. That's exactly what I'm running in this baby right here. So yeah, but yeah, last but not least, let's get into these other packages. Just run to the toolbox and get a little blade. Excuse the mess guys, it's getting messy again. I know how it goes, man. It's just bloody trying to stay on top of things. But yeah, so this is the package I was waiting for from Portugal. Don't even know where to start with this thing. Sorry guys, bear with me. So yeah guys, sorry about that. So yeah, as you guys see, this is from Boostworks from Portugal, and this is the K-swap harness I'm going to be running in Pearl. Looks very good, very nice. It literally looks like the K-tuned one I've got in this car. It literally looks exactly the same. Very good spec. Looks very professional as well. There's OEM clips. Yeah man, this looks good. So I'll be doing another video of installing this. These are a bit more straightforward than the EG ones. Notice with the EG ones you have a lot more wiring to wiring. But yeah, this one looks fairly simple. But I'll be showing you guys when I do come around to fitting this, how we do it and stuff. So if you guys are doing a K-swap on a EK or whatever, and you know, need some guidance, you know, just watch the video. So stay tuned for that. And I believe this is a package for EK47. Bear with me guys, let me just open this. So yeah guys, I was very confused just now. As you see, this is a box from Torco. Basically the people I get my gearbox over from. I see this in the box. So I was like, what? Did someone send me something? Or? But no, I think they just used them as little shields, obviously, to not damage the parcel. I'll be keeping in boxes for show. But yeah, this is for EK47, just 2 litres of Torco MTF. As you know, the diff seal needs sorting out, so once I sort that out, I'm going to be topping up the gear oil. I do have another 2 bottles ready for Pearl, so that's no biggie. Should have ordered them all one time really, but yeah, that's the gearbox oil. But yeah, for the most part, guys, these are parts for Pearl, so you're going to be seeing another video of installing the majority of these. So I'll try to split it up and just, you know, not prolong it, but just to keep you guys busy watching something in this quarantine, because yeah, it's kind of hard. Like me, like I said, I just drove from the garage to my house. Garage, yeah, you know the deal. So yeah, stay tuned, guys, and Pearl's going to be up and running real soon, man. So I hope you're excited as much as I am, and yeah, stay safe out there, guys. So yeah, guys, just here on this Sunday, the kids out there just riding their mini motors about. But yeah, this is the throttle body I'm going to be running on Pearl. This is basically it looks exactly the same as the S90 that I'm running on EK47. Just a 70mm with a 76mm outlet. Made my own gasket out of some parts box. That's how I do it, you know what I mean? Because obviously all you do is just put it over the throttle body, give it a tap with a hammer all the way around, so you get a perfect stencil. As you see, I haven't had to cut nothing, and yeah, you just get a perfect outline every time. So yeah, that's what I've done. So yeah, like I said, it's just a 70mm throttle body with a 76mm outlet, so it will take a 3-inch pipe. But yeah, that's for the most part. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I've started wiring in the engine loom, as you'll see. So yeah, I've just got the loom wired into the car there, and just going to be tidying up a few bits and getting some few bits installed. The K-swap harness I'm actually going to get installed in a minute. You see, it is a hot mess in here, but it's all good. I'm tidying this up anyway. But yeah, I'm just going to get the K-tune harness, sorry, the BWE harness. I'm too used to talk about EK47, guys, my bad. But yeah, I'm just going to get the K-swap harness in and the injectors also, so I can just plug the rest of this loom up. So as you see, the 4x map sensor in there. I did order some -6 piping, as you see in the last clip, but what happened was this is actually Teflon lined. So I've been told this is good to run inside the car if you're running, you know, -6 lines or -8 lines inside the car for your fuel system, because they help with like not smelling inside the car. If you was to run a line like what I have here, just the normal nylon style, you get a lot of smell of petrol in the car. But yeah, so this is actually the wrong hose. I will keep this though just for future stuff, but I won't be using it for now. So I've ordered some nylon -6 line. Hopefully that does the trick, so I can just, like I said, extend it from here to the reg. That's where I need it. So yeah, that is that. But what I'm going to be doing right now is actually getting the injectors installed as well, just so I can literally finalize this loom, so I know everything in here is sorted. And we also just need to make a charge harness. I've got a D series loom and a K series charge harness, so what I'm going to do is just mix match the two and make something work. They do sell them on eBay for like £45, but I'm not willing to spend that when I've got parts here to make it myself. So that's going to be that, and I'll show you guys also how to do that. So just stay tuned. I haven't really got anyone to film for me right now, but I'm just going to get these injectors in and get the loom ran inside the car. So you'll see an update, so stay tuned. Alright, so yeah guys, I'm just going to try my best to talk you through it, and we can try to do this together. So this plug right here, this routes, you can either route it inside or outside, but I routed mine outside on EK47. So this is a male plug, as you can see, and you have a female one outside on the EK loom, which I'll show you guys. So I don't know what happened to this loom, guys, don't ask. But yeah, this is the plug that it will be plugging into right here. So as you see, I've just taken the grommet out of here. I'm going to be running the K-swap harness through this hole here, and that will plug into this guy right here. Little focus, there you go. So yeah, that will be plugging into this guy right here, and that will give us power through this side. So yeah guys, as you see, male to female plug. This side's from the K-swap harness, and like I said, this side is from the engine harness from the EK. Well, yeah, engine bay harness. So yeah, that's all connected up. I'll show you inside the car. Right, so we're left with this lot here. So basically these, I think there's two O2 sensors. So you have a primary and secondary. One's a male, one's a female, as you see. So you got a female one and a male one here. I don't know if this will focus. I don't know what's happening with my camera right now. But yeah, one's a male, one's a female. But because I'm going to be running the AEM gauge, I'm not going to be running these, so I don't think. It should be okay just to leave these blanked off. And because obviously, because I'm running the Honda, I can just cancel both the primary and secondary sensors within the K Pro itself. So yeah, unlike the EGs where you have a lot of excess wiring that you've got to wire in yourself, what I've seen from a lot of EG looms, these are pretty straightforward. So you have, this is the EP3 engine bay harness, as you see here. So this just routes in the car and then runs out there. And yeah, so that is pretty much plug and play from here. So you have this plug here. I'm trying to do it with one hand, sorry guys, 2 seconds. So yeah, as you see, this is the big type connector that you have that joins the Honda EP3 engine harness to the K-swap harness. So that it's just a male to female that joins in, and you have a green plug which is female into the male K-swap harness connector. So that's that, and that is pretty much it, to be fair. Obviously the EP3 engine harness comes with 2 ECU plugs, as you see here by the connector. So you got one here and one here, the grey and white. So that's them 2. If it will focus. Right, so yeah, that's the 2 ECU plugs, and one actually comes on the swap harness. So that's that. So that will literally be your 3 ECU plugs that you plug into your ECU, and that is pretty much what it is. Like, it's not nothing like the EG ones where you've got a lot of stuff to wire in. The only thing I do have to wire is the temp switch and a fan switch if I want, but because I'm running the K Pro, I don't actually have to run the fan switch, because I can just turn the fan switch on via the K Pro. So the only thing I need is the, I think it's the solid green. I've double checked the paper, people, and I'll just put it in here. But one of these colors is for a temp switch out there, which actually gives me a reading on the cluster itself. So that's all there is to it. Literally, that's all there is to it, guys. It's pretty straightforward for EKs. So yeah, that's that. Right now I'm just going to be getting the injectors in, so watch the next clip and stay tuned. So yeah, as you see, just got the first injector installed, and these are them in a better light. So as you see, 1000cc off-road motorsport. Hey, but yeah, that's the company there, CP. Like I said, guys, I do get discount on these, so let me know. Any application, B series, H series, F series, D series, K series, also VW, Audi, everything like that as well. So just hit me up, let me know, and we'll discuss something and work something out. As you see, these are just the thousands. I do need to upgrade EK47s, as we are going to be running more power throughout the year when the track opens back up, that is. But I'm going to get some 2200 cc's for this, so these thousands will be up for sale soon. As you see, same 1000cc injectors are running this. They've been running in this car for years and they're fine. Got them flow tested, they're all good around the board. So yeah, just hit me up. But yeah, for the most part, I'm just going to be installing the rest of these and I'll show you guys once they're all in. So yeah guys, just got all the injectors in and wired up. I had a little problem with the standard studs, they're falling down the back as you see there. But yeah, I've just had to use some Allen key bolts. These I do prefer, I just cut one down, and this one I'm gonna have to get another one of these and cut down instead of this, because as you see it has a washer, but they do sit a lot better. When I first tried to put them in, you could actually see the seal at the bottom along all of them, so they weren't actually sealing. So yeah, but what I actually done, I just took the studs out that actually comes with the RBC. I just took the studs out, then put the injectors into the rail first, and then put them in. The same thing I have to do on my EK as well. And yeah, seems a lot better, to be fair. But I just got to tidy up all this harness as well, but that's that can come in due time. That's all good. But yeah, for the most part, like I said, that's the wiring loom done and practically the injectors in and sorted. So literally just waiting on this line, as I said, from there to there. So that's just that, and we can give this thing a first start up. I've also got a trick little part coming in, so make sure you stay tuned guys. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this episode and let me know what you thought in the comments. For any merchandise or anything, Savage Performance UK, Facebook, Kai Richards, I'll put it all in the description here. So yeah, just let me know. Thanks for watching guys.